Sobrang laking tulong din na may first ako kasi sa tiebreakers, maganda yun. Makakascore ako sa tiebreakers. Tapos maganda rin yung rank ko the previous day. So there's a really good chance that I will make it if I consistently top 4. Yeah, also yung top 4 percentage din, kasama rin yun sa tiebreaker. So hindi ako pwede mag-bot 4 talaga. I'll fight for everything just to not go bot 4. Basta top 4, masaya na ako. Pero syempre hindi yun enough. Dapat maka-second ako at least sa game na to. Okay, gold sub. Gold sub is not bad.
What do you mean this doesn't look safe? I demand tribute.
Medyo nakabahan na ako, guys. I'm not happy with that fourth eh. Parang third yun dapat eh.
I'm out. Gotta sharpen my lamp.
Oh, fairy. I can see fairy happening. Hunter pwede rin. Masyado akong marami hinuhold. Hindi naman nakaka-depress. Siguro mamaya pa ako madadepress sa game 5. Kakabahan na ako mamaya. Di ko alam eh. Ang tinik kasi ng top 16, man. Imagine mo, 100 kami, may 16 lang. Like, ang laking bawas. Ang laking bawas ng players. Not really like this. Hold the remover. Ito na lang. Masaya na ako dyan.
The magic is within you.
Who's a good boy? I am.
I'll stay in the forest until I learn how to use those.
Wala akong bastion. God. Hindi ba ako sure ano pwede kong gawin? But like I leveled, so it's gonna be something interesting. Pwede siguro mag-Hui. Don't know. I don't know. 25 ba mo? Nakaspoil so far. Crazy confidence. Hindi ko pa alam. Ano ba yung sa slam ko? Rise? Magra-rise na lang ba ako? Kasi like, I'm kinda scared that people might angle for rise. Sinel ko si Shen eh. Siya sana yung bastion ko eh. That's kinda sad. Nako, akala ko matatalo ako, nagbukas ako ng anvil. Uy! Wala, nag-hesitate ako eh. Sayang. Okay, Rabadance is flexible. Like, I could go...
The beast grows stronger.
Oh yeah.
Ay, di ko binili si ano. Pangalan na to. Ah, sayang. Kulang akong mage. Man, I could have won the last round, like, seriously. I'm sad. Grabe sakit ni Seraphina. Okay, a level for this. That's Bastion and that's another fairy. Honestly, I'll take Spat. Pwede ako mag Fairy Spat. I don't know. Something. I could also take the Vex. Wag. I'll just take the tier. Okay, Wag din. Okay, wala na makuha. Yeah, I'll just take this. Maybe it should have been Nomicon. I don't know. Ayun.
Sup.
Tread carefully.
Bastion is nice. Boom. Boom. Good job. Good job. Wait, kaso lang, bakit parang natatalo ako? Hello? Am I losing? Ay, yung pangit ng ult niya. Oh god. Oh! Natalo ko doon? Oh my. Okay. I actually don't like this anymore. What the heck just happened? Oh man. Maybe pwede ko pa i-reforge to. Because I really don't like this.
Continue.
I don't like what's happening.
I lend my aid.
No way. Natalo ako doon. Wala akong streak, man. Ang hirap ko. Tira mo sila, ang dami na ng gold. Ako wala. Oh my good lord. Positioning diff din talaga eh. Ang hirap pag-position kasi with Seraphine. Dapat ba gitna? Feeling ko dapat gitna ko yung Seraphine ko. Ang pangit ng angle kasi eh. Oh. Man, win-loss. Okay, what am I gonna do now? I'm so poor.
Oh yeah.
I'm thinking about Huey reroll. Pero sayang, binenta ko na si Warwick. Baka Veigar to. Wala akong tier though. Ito may tier. Ah, magve-Veigar to. It really might be Huey for me. Or fast 8 kung mayaman ako. Kaya ko ba? Wow, I have double Vex, which is a big deal. Honestly, okay yan.
I lend my aid.
Sige. Kung kailan naman gumit na ako, ang pangit gumit na. Oh, Lord. I'm scared. Nako. Am I dead? Okay, nice. Good job, Seraphine. Good job, Seraphine. I don't like this. I don't like this either. Ano ang papangit naman ito? Huh? Okay, honestly... Sige. Kasi mare-reforge ko siya mamaya. Also, what the
Power
hell?
changes everyone.
May rise na ako. Okay, wait. Maybe I just go fast 8. Yeah! Patay agad yung Lilia ko. Also, grabe, ang bilis naman mag-hit nito. Jesus. Guys, I'm lost. Wala akong direction. Like, you know this is really bad.
There's beauty in even the smallest moments.
Sword? Ew. Bumalik lang. Ewan ko na. Isa pa. Sword! Okay. What the hell? Ano yun? Did you guys just see what happened? Sakit sa ulo ng larong to. Ang sakit sa ulo ng larong to, man. Holy. Bro, yung ano ko, sword ko, ano ba nangyayari? Is this just rise? Mukhang magra-rise na ako, guys. Kasi, yeah. Well, in that case, I need a bow. Man, sobrang nakakairita. Like, ang dami kong ginamit na reforger. Tapos, naging sword lang. This game is just bad, guys. This game is just bad.
Time out. Gotta sharpen my lance.
Magra-rise na lang ba ako? I genuinely think rise might be better now. Pero wala pa kasi yung portal. Like, magra-rise ako pag may 3 portal na ako. Ay, nag-Veigar na siya. Yeah, I think I'm just rise. Pa-force ko to. Medyo healthy naman ako eh. I'm healthy enough. Tsaka may pera din ako. Like, I'm getting maximum 7 interest. Like, that's huge. It's a huge deal.
Magic goes in, might comes out.
Okay, but it's so underwhelming. Like, palitan ko na. It's not doing anything, guys. Like, unfortunately. It's simply useless. It's okay. I'm healthy. I'm fine. So, magiging ganito yung board ko. Ano ba?
Time flies like an arrow. Fruit flies like banana.
Sino isa pa? Ah, si Galio yung isa pa. Okay, nice. Perfect. Nice. It's a spark. It's an ionic spark. Gino ba to or next round na? Hindi ko next round na, but I will put him in for this.
As you wish.
Okay, wala. Kahit nag-level ako, hindi ko talaga matatalo yan. Look at this guy. He's so strong. Okay, I'm 56 HP. Medyo natatakot na ako. I need to do something. I need to... Okay. Schmuckers, guys. Schmuckers. Help. I'm scared. Blossom and Lotus. Teaming up.
Power changes everyone.
Nice.
This is so fun!
Eat magic!
Power changes everyone.
You think you can win?
Hey.
Marvelous! Hands off my meal!
I am only as wild as magic.
Hello? Nasaan si... Huh? Ayun.
Beauty and life.
Ah. Okay. I'm still alive. I have nothing to worry about. May 2-star rise ako.
Wait, I hit you.
Nakaban pa ako, guys. Because I'm not so sure everything's working out. Teka, sino ba to? Dapat Arcana to.
You
Oh.
thought my magic evil.
What? A Golden Quest. My god. I'm dead, guys. Hindi na ako pwede matalo eh. Like, Fiora 2 rin siya oh. Ang sakit. Sakit sa puso, guys.
cowards run.
Grabe siya. Na cash out pa siya. Oh, I would love that Nora. Pero bakit third pick ako? 40 HP na lang ako, tapos third pick ako. Okay, something's not right, guys. Something's not right. Also, anong klaseng roll down yun? Nag-roll down ako ng 70 gold, tapos wala akong Tahm Kench. Yes. Nakuha ko. Inisip niya ko yung i-greed niya. Oh well. Well, I have Nora now. Nasaan na ba si Taric? Wala namang... Hello?
Magic may ne'er be quenched.
Like... Holy... Ayun pali! Ano ba yan? Bakit ang dami mong Taric? Hey! Bigyan mo ako! Kahit ano lang, Tahm Kench 2, okay na rin ako. Okay, nice. Winning here is really nice.
You're duller than a broken sandwich.
Men, hindi niya ako binibigyan ng Taric. Okay. Tahm Kench, kaya ba? May isa siya. May isa rin to. Isa rin to. 3, 4, 5. Sige, reroll ko ah. Okay, nag-hit. Tanggal, tanggal. Lagay. Lagay, lagay. Lagay. Lagay, swap. Lagay doon. Okay. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, pwede na ako mag-level 9. Level 9, I add Serath. Palitan ko yung Taric ng Diana 2. And then okay na. But it's very important na na-hit ko yung 2-star tank. Kahit Tahm Kench lang yan. Okay, and then mag-pray tayo na maraming gold sa Raptors. Maraming gold. Okay, itong si Golden Quest, nang tatax na siya ng players. Grabe. Crazy guy. Okay. This will just become Diana. Ito, Shojin na lang tong sword. Man, kanina pa ako reforge dyan eh. Naiinis talaga ako dyan. Naku! Bro, what is this? Bullshit, man. Oh, God. Also, ang konti ng gold. Hello. I mean, wala akong choice. It's just this.
The old magic may ne'er be quenched.
Also, alam niyo, ha ha ha, laki ng team niya. Ang laki. Ba't ang lalaki nila?
Dearie me.
Nakakatakot. Ang laki niya. Nice. Uy, matatalo ako? No way! Yeah. 83% scam. Okay, patay na si Cultured Man. I think it's these items are better on Galio. Like, yung ginagawa yung Taric ko ngayon eh.
Beauty and life.
Ay, wait, namatay na siya. Okay, magro-roll ako. Kailangan ko ng Taric. Siya yung maraming Taric. Oh, that's good. Shit! Talo ko dito eh. Uy! Bakit nang pumunta yun?
Only cowards run.
Guys, sobrang unlucky eh. Sobrang unlucky ng game ko. Dapat nanalo ako sa last 2 rounds na yun. Hindi ko rin nahanap si Taric. Kailangan ko ng Taric. Immune to crowd control. Parang hindi. No. No. Okay.
2 tickets to the gem show.
Random back row. Ay, dapat di ko idikit. Also, holy shit. Talo na naman ako! Guys, oh my god. Parang magsa-7th ako ah. Hindi maganda to, hindi maganda to. Ay, hindi ko nalipat sa Taric to yung items. Ah, nakalimutan ko. God, oh god. Hindi ako pwede mag-7th, man. Hindi ako pwede mag-7th. Hindi ko natanggal, hindi ko natanggal. Bro, ang unlucky talaga. Maybe Seraph 2 will bail me out. I don't know. Pero pag nakalaban ko to, hindi ako mananalo. Pag nakalaban ko ulit. Dito kasi, pwede ako manalo dito kanina. Di ko alam ba't natalo ko dun. Positioning diff? I don't know. Man, 6 HP na lang ako. Paano nangyaring 6 HP na lang ako? Tapos laging nasa pool ko tong si Golden Quest. Like... Okay, ayan. Maganda yan. Okay, ngayon medyo namimiss ko yung mage. Parang kailangan ko yung mage. Ay! Nakalimutan ko bilhin! Ah. I'm dead, guys. I'm dead dahil wala akong stun. Guys. Nakalimutan kong bilhin. Nakalimutan kong bilhin. Pero man, like, ang dami kong upgrades. Hindi, imposibleng matalo ako. Oh my god, I screwed up guys, I screwed up. Ah, yung stun talaga, yung stun. 7th ba? Oh, nabuhay silang lahat. Oh lord. Ah, ang pangit ng laro ko doon. Ang pangit ng laro ko doon. Out na ba ako? Help.